This is a quick, fun recipe with multiple options for variety. Start by putting your kebab sticks in water to prevent burning. Then we can start cleaning and deveining our shrimp. You can also buy them ready to cook, but I like them like this for different recipe options. Season your shrimp with your favorite spices. In this case, I use Cajun, Cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, and garlic powder. I also drizzle a little olive oil to marinate. Let them rest for about 15 minutes. Begin wrapping your shrimp with your bacon strips. Since we're also making veggies, I use what I had in the fridge: onions, zucchini, squash, and bell peppers. Chop your veggies into big enough chunks and put them in your kebab sticks. And after this, do the same with your bacon-wrapped shrimp. Cut the extra edges of the stick if not fitting into your air fryer. Season your veggies to taste, a little oil, and into the air fryer at about 400 until golden brown. You may have to remove your veggies first to prevent burning. For the step-by-step and full recipe, follow the link below. Enjoy!